Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne, in Australia, and it's actually 5:06 a.m. Oh, I got a bit delayed or a bit. Um, yeah, anyway. Um,
Yeah, and it's fine.
anyway. Um, okay, let's just quickly look at this. Welcome, Darren.
Hey, fellas.
Hi. Welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just noting trades discussed in script are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other, and we are not financial advisors. So please don't take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There's a full risk disclosure, a bit about us as live session traders. Right, that AUDNZD is just playing around with you, Darren.
It is.
Just playing around with you. I managed to yesterday. I managed to create two accounts with Dark Titan, AUD
Yeah.
CAD, and NZD CAD. Just put two demo accounts on, and also Dark Gold.
Yeah.
So I've set them all up. They're not perfect yet. I don't know if the
Yeah.
set files are right or what, but
Okay.
we'll get there. Anyway, and also too that one that VPS, it's called Kintabo. I'll show you.
Double. Right.
I'll share. There we go. Share there here. And it's this VPS.
Yeah. Yeah.
Contabo. This is the Aussie guy that on Algo
Yeah.
that recommends this. I don't know. This is US dollars,
Mm.
but anyway, it's quite a bit uh, more substantial than what I'm currently. I think I'm just on this one at the moment.
Yeah.
Um, and you look at it. I was thinking about having to up to get some, 4 gig of RAM. Like it's CPUs and RAM are
Yeah.
the important things. At 65 a month
Mm.
for 2 and 4, you go to Contabo,
Yeah.
you've got 6 and 12 over here for
Yeah.
five $5 a month, $6
Yeah. Yeah.
for a month over a year. So what's that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's about, I don't know, $100 or so, less than $100 US for a year for
Yeah.
for 6 and 12. It doesn't tell you how many um, terminals that you can run. Or over here, they sort of give you an idea of how many terminals, sort of thing. So I'm thinking if you've got four and whatever, I mean, yeah, over here you can do a number of terminals,
Oh, I think so. Yeah.
probably 10 terminals or something at that. So
Yeah.
anyway, I thought I'd show you that as
Yeah.
a,
Oh, that's interesting.
okay, that's the one that he's using now.
Yeah.
Right,
Contabo.
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm using FXVM, or have for a long time, but I'll have a look at that for sure. All
Yeah.
right, Tom, just EAs and stuff. So there was
Good stuff.
some. I don't know if I mentioned yesterday, but I had a thing pop up on my thing of just apparently there's some big shit going down between US and China at the moment about rare earths. There's some sort of jostling occurring. I saw on the news last night that share prices went all crazy in the Aussie because we've got a heap of rare minerals here too. And so all of the companies with rare minerals, their stock price jumped up. So there was just a sort of a warning of be careful of the US dollar at the moment. Anyway,
Yeah, it's that 100% on China.
they put 100% on China for what? Rare earths?
Everything.
Oh, oh, China would be pissed on that. They'd had an agreement and now they've changed it. Okay. Oh, God. All right. But, you got the savior is flying around the
And we
world.
have no stats. No
Sorry.
CPI, no PPI, no NFP, none of it.
Um,
Yeah.
what? It's being hidden, or there's no one doing the
Government
work, or
shutdown.
right?
So all the
Yes,
work
yeah.
is stopped.
It's good, isn't it? Doesn't he doesn't have to lie about the fact of how shit it is. Okay, there we go. All right, let's go have a look at charts and see. We'll go from
Oh,
there.
and apparently Bank of
Oh,
America is about to fold.
what?
Yeah, apparently they're having something went wrong. I'm not sure what, but I read this article that was talking about Bank of America failing because of a something they got into has crashed. Some sort of market they got into and it crashed. So apparently they're going to end up having to sell off. And when they sell off, yes, somebody bigger will pick them up. But they're saying the risk that Bank of America took was the same risk that everybody else took. It just hasn't happened to them yet. So they're kind of like saying Bank of America is like the tip of the iceberg for the
Right.
for the recession going into a depression going forward into 26. It was like it's kind of like a landmark move. That's the hair or the straw that broke the camel's back.
Right, that's
Supposedly.
interesting.
Supposedly. So that information's out there as well.
And the Trump family will just buy all those things up while they go down.
It's gonna sink us. We're gonna end up like Venezuela.
Well,
Yeah. Mark my words. I hate it
okay.
when I'm right.
Well, um, yeah, FOREX will still be around, don't worry. Yeah, I sort of thought it would happen a bit earlier, but it's just taking him a little while to stuff it up properly. Okay. There was what would you call it? A journalistic sort of expose last night, an hour of it's our sort of national TV carry, funded by the public. And anyway, they had a whole hour about um, how the Trump family have increased their value, the amount of money and all the setups and stuff in the background and like, oh no, it's all at arm's length. That that's my family. It's all in a trust. I've got nothing to do with it. But I'm making decisions about how that about how favourable that is.
Mm-hmm.
Called the conflict of interest. Anyway, it was just talking about that last night. I didn't get to see the whole thing. Um, anyway, rightio. So where are we at? This is what we ended up with yesterday. Have you got some changes at all?
No. Well, I do, yes, because I always put on my Tuesday box.
No,
So,
yeah, well, that's okay.
set it up right. Let me just show you what I mean. Let's just
Okay.
fix this one the way it should be. So, grab a rectangle,
Yeah. A recce. Okay, got it.
Okay, and then
Where do you want which one?
from the um, gold bar at the top, the one before it,
This one.
to your left, the one before it.
That
Yes,
one.
that one right there. Just drag it
Yes.
across. Just drag it across.
Across this way.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go.
Oh, on the
So
2 hour, yeah.
yeah, so do you see the setup?
Um, for the buy.
No, for the sell.
Hmm. Oh yes. Here.
No.
The seller
So
here, isn't it?
no. So as this
Okay.
comes across, as this moves across your screen,
Mm-hmm.
you're waiting for this blue trend line at the top on your daily to turn white.
Yeah.
Okay. The bottom 2 hour top line is going to travel across and turn white.
Mm-hmm.
The same with the bottom lines. So, what you're looking for is the setup here that's going to make that happen. And what that's going to look like is you're going to have, you see where it has your triangles?
Yep. At the top on the 2 hour.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the accumulation. It's going to spike, which is the manipulation,
Mm-hmm.
which is going to,
Which is this spike up here.
right?
Yeah.
And then it's going to pull back, fail at your Tuesday box.
Mm-hmm.
See how it failed? Not there. Go over. What? Right there. It
Well, there,
fails.
yeah.
By the point it gets here, it can't go above the Tuesday box anymore. Both these lines turn white, and you're proceeding down at the cross
Mm-hmm.
on the two trend lines,
Which is break to 75.
which is breaking the 75.
Mm-hmm.
So you're just, if you believe it's going to turn here on the higher time frame, wait for it to turn on the higher time frame.
Mm-hmm.
The only reason you're looking at the 2 hour is to pick up the trade when it finally gets here.
Yeah. But the bad news for Darren is that it looks like it's going to break that previous high on the daily.
Well, it's going to have a pullback first. That's what it's telling you. So if it can't beat that Tuesday box and it has to turn these white, it's going to come down further.
Yeah, but it may come up and well,
You don't know. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So right
yeah.
now, it doesn't matter what that green line says. Does not matter.
No, true.
Just ignore it. All it's telling you is something here because you have a higher low on the daily. I'm sorry, a higher high.
Yeah,
You have the you're in the 75 zone.
yeah,
You're looking for that 19 trend line up at the top to turn white and just let it play out. If that thing turns white, we're going to travel back to the blue line at the bottom. So look
yeah,
how far below the blue line is on the daily time frame
yeah. It's a
on your
long way.
2 hour time frame.
Yeah, yeah.
See, actually look at find it. It's
It's
right.
it this one here.
It's that one down there, right? So you're
Yeah,
looking at it to come all the way back, not break the 2.5 down at the bottom, and take back off again to create the higher high that's going to have
yeah.
to break this high on the
Right.
daily.
Oh, so you think okay? So what you're saying is, yeah. You're saying it won't potentially break this high. What it'll do is you're suggesting potentially this will just come down. We'll get a crossover. We'll get two. These will two. 2 will turn white. It'll go further down, won't break the 25, then it'll go up and break the high.
Yes.
Okay.
This is going to be a pullback
Yeah.
to go higher. How far back?
A
Well, we
push
know
up,
at
a
least to
push
the
up,
bottom
you
of the blue
mean?
line.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. It'll be a push up, then a pull back down.
Right, because now it has to sweep this high.
Yeah, okay. You don't like that, Darren, do you? As long as it'll come back down.
It just needs a pullback far enough to get me out of the trades. And so
Yeah,
you need a big pullback to do that.
yeah. See, you just feel comfortable when you're out of trades and made profit. That's the bottom line, isn't
Yeah.
it? But how do you deal with it when they're all in trades? It's like,
Yeah.
okay.
And you just created a double bottom.
Yes, here.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Sweep the top, sweep the double bottom, and down we go.
You just come to the weekend, it looked like it was, and then all of a sudden, start of the week, it pushed up. We'll see what happens when it comes to that Tuesday box. Now we've got this not dilemma, but now we have to sort of change all the other ones. That was right. Okay, that's all happened. What's this one about too? Nah, that was 14th. Okay, meeting minutes. Oh, okay. Oh, we'll see what happens. Oh, and there's a big yesterday here as well. The treasurer came out. Well, you'd call him the exchequer, Darren. So for the last 2 years, they've been talking about whacking people that have got more than what was it? More than 3 million, more than $3 million Aussie in their retirement in their super funds, right? Superannuation fund, and they were going to do unrealized profits, the whole shoot match. They're going to whack these people that have got all this money.
Yeah.
Anyway, apparently the back down has occurred. So now that all they're doing is they're going to, it's not on unrealized profits or anything. It's just anyone over, I think it's 5 million and then 10 million. So you've got the poor people
Yeah.
that have just got super below. I think it's 5.
Yeah.
I think it is. Anyway, and then you got people above 5 but below 10, and people above 10. So people below that, we pay 15% in tax to put money into super. If you got 5 million, then you're going to have to pay 30 cents in the dollar. If you got 10 million or more, you're going to pay 40 cents in the dollar.
Yeah.
So it's just part of that whole sort of labor thing where, it's what do they call it? Robin Hood, take from the rich and give to the poor.
Yeah.
So it won't bring in as much tax revenue as the original thing will, but it's much fairer now. And all of this crap, because it was an absolute back down. So then all the other political parties go out, hey, look, see what we had to do to them to get a fairer deal. Anyway,
Yeah.
it's just they love to bash people that have, made some money, that's all. Anyway, but yeah, they want to share it around. So that could also affect how the market sort of behaves to a certain extent, because it's quite a major, but it's not going to happen until 2027. All right. Okay. So what do we do, Tom? We go from the top?
Sure.
Oh God.
Yeah. You
I've
could
got
just delete all of that shit.
Yeah. Well, you're the one that told me to put it on. You're
Absolutely,
unbelievable.
100%.
You're unbelievable, you are.
Because you know why? You got to learn with me.
Right. Okay. So we have the same um thing as on there. What do you call 'em?
Yeah, everything's the same. All you got to do is just put your fib on.
No, I don't. Rankos. These are the wrong numbers now. Hang on. Let me just write down. So they were
Well,
on the
Brian, what you
sorry.
can do is
Sorry. Sorry. What could I do?
oh wait. So when you're ready to trade this, if
Yeah.
you want to put a price on it, if you have to transfer it over to another system, just go back to the regular candles. Figure out where you want to put your price. You should have plenty of time.
No, 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 no. Okay. So I'm just gonna. So here we go. We'll do this. So what I'm saying is this trend bar here, this setting, does it change it on all of them? No.
No, it only changes the last one. That's why you don't save it as default. So these have already these have
That's
oh,
7.
I see
Let
what you're saying. No, you got to go back, right? Because these are old.
correct. That's what I'm trying to say to you, Tom.
Okay, okay,
So
go
on the
ahead.
cancel. Hang on a minute. We'll just go. So yeah, on the daily. So I've got two trend
But
bars.
go back to
The AUD
yeah, because those have they're already loaded.
Okay. Yeah, that's 7 on the daily. It's 7 and 38.
Oh hell, I could have told you that. I got them right here.
The 2 hour. I gotta just, and there's a few other changes because we've got that highlight. We've got other things taken off, don't we? Pivot points we stay with, don't we? Oh, that's all right. Yeah, pivot points and next pivot highlight. Oh God.
Yeah, wait, what are you doing?
I just got to know which ones are on which. That's all. Symmetry and
Okay,
bar.
so you want to go
That
through
one's
your list and
70. Yeah, I'm writing them down so I can go and do them myself. It's all
okay.
right. 200, 70 and 200. Okay. And they're blues. Okay. Blue and whites. Right, yeah, I got those two. That one's there. Next pivot.
I think these are the same.
Nah, I don't think so. I don't know. Oh, yeah, they would be the same. Actually, all the what indicators are on there will be the same. The
Those
numbers
shouldn't
will
have
be the
changed.
no, but the numbers will be different. No, we did change a few things.
Yeah, but they should already be changed just because you went to the next screen.
Yeah, here. Yeah, no, they're all the same. What I've got, that's right. But the settings will be different on them. That's the problem. So that one, I think 7 and 38. Oh no, they're right.
Yeah,
Hang
the
on a minute.
indicators don't change. They just go from
70,
screen to screen to screen.
200. No. Oh, that's all okay. All right. Okay. Oh, so I don't need to. Okay, radio. I
Right.
was do you know what I mean? I was a little bit off my face on it, not knowing. So just take it easy on me, mate. Right. So now we go to the daily. Wasn't that it? Go to the daily, and we're looking for
The highest to the lowest?
this one to this one. Oh, in all time. Okay, it
Hmm.
was. It was in all time. Hang on. No. Right, there's the dinosaur.
So we're actually in a downtrend.
Yeah. So we want to go fib from this low to this high. Is
Right.
that correct?
Right. So just drag it over far enough so you can see it, but it's not in your way. Stop right there. Way too far.
Okay. Too far. Okay, hang
Just
on.
back it a little bit. Just a little. There. Okay. So now shrink that down.
Yeah.
Grab another fib.
Yeah, got it.
Do your triangle to triangle from your most recent high to your most recent low.
Which is here
Right there.
to there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's actually upside down, but anyway. Want to know the other side of it? Yeah.
Yeah, just like that.
And that's got to be flipped, really. Yeah. And I will. Not reverse, but yeah. Okay.
And just a quick read. Look at your two zones from your massive fib. What are those two zones?
25.75. It's sitting in the middle.
Okay, so you know you're at your 50% line.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where
Okay,
we're at.
easy read, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now you're at the 50% line. So you're either going to cross and push up,
Yeah.
which this is showing.
Well, it's done. Oh, it's turning. It's gone into the
It's
75. Now
turning
it's turning to come back down.
because it failed to hit the 25 on the higher time
Ah,
frame.
the
So it just
75.
swept all this liquidity down here, failed to break
Oh,
this
failed to break
low.
to 25. Yeah.
So now we're on a push back up. It has hit the 75. You're looking for a turn here.
Yeah, well, in
Back
actual fact,
down to fail the 25 again
yeah,
and
but that's what
keep
it's
going
doing.
up.
You've got a gold indicator and oh no, it might continue up. Well, it just depends.
That's right. So now you have your set. There's your set. You know you're looking for buys.
Yeah, okay.
Go down to your 2 hour time frame.
Yep. Doing it.
Find the exact.
And also you got your two lines. So if they stay blue, they crossed over just there and there. When was that? Start of September. Okay. Right here. Yep. Sorry.
Okay. Grab your fib.
Hang on a minute. I've got to find out where that is. It's there.
Yep.
To there. Okay. Got it. It's there. To there.
Slide it
You
across.
want to
That's
come
your
across.
that's the whole scene right now. Just keep dragging it across. Keep going past that green line. There you go.
Right. There we go.
Okay. So let's stop right here.
You can see where it's gone from there, which is there. Oh, I can stretch that out a bit. That's that's sort of what it looks like. Yeah, they pattern up, don't they? There's more bricks, but it's basically the same. Okay, right, and now it's on the way on the push up. Look at it dancing around this 75 line here, over it, back through, back up, back down. Oh, now it's going back up. Okay, go for it, Tom.
Okay. So you have a triangle at the top on the daily, a blue triangle at the daily on the bottom, right?
Uh, is there a white triangle up the top? Hang on. No, there's no
On the
white.
daily.
On the daily we do. Yes.
Okay. And a blue one at the bottom.
Correct.
Okay.
Oh, so we're looking for another triangle, aren't we?
Now, so you have a,
Didn't you say they come in threes?
yes. So you have a higher low. Because you have a higher low here that doesn't break this last triangle, you're looking for it to get failure because you have a higher low, a lower high on the daily. You see where you got your gold bar?
Mm-hmm.
So you're looking for a pullback on the 2-hour time frame to push away from that gold bar enough,
Yeah, yeah,
possibly into the next blue line
yeah,
on the daily, and
yeah,
then push out with another brick.
yeah.
Okay, so do you see where it crossed? Do you see the white candle and the blue candle with the
This
wicks in the
one.
middle, right
Yeah,
there?
yeah, those
Right
two.
there. That's your knuckle. Grab a rectangle real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Circle just those two. Don't take the wick, just the bricks.
Oh, okay. Oop.
Okay, change that one to green and save it.
The green,
The green rectangle.
you wanted green. Okay. Yeah.
And now save that as a click on your little cog. Then go down to template, hit save as,
Oh.
and put
Box.
green.
Yeah.
No, don't just put green, just green.
No,
We're
okay,
going to keep this as simple as possible.
because it's already a rectangle. Okay.
And then
Okay.
hit OK. Okay, so every time you see a knuckle, what
You
that
put a
is, it's
green.
the pullback down here at the 2 hour. Take
Yeah.
your cursor and find that on the 2 hours.
Yeah, because that bit there, yeah, it's basically this. It's this
It's just a
that thing.
right, but you don't know where at in there it's going to decide to take it. So you
Yeah,
just,
okay.
but you know that's where it's going to come back to because that's
Mm-hmm.
where the 2 hour shows the daily coming back to.
Mm-hmm. And then it basically comes below, turns white, then starts dancing around here, and then takes off. Look at this, all of this rubbish. Well, that's sort of what's happening at the moment on that AUD NZD. Okay.
Okay, so now that we know it's going to look like it's going to come back into this area because you have your gold box and it looks like it's coming down,
Mm-hmm.
we're finding the 50% line. So grab a box.
The 50% of that box, you mean?
No, the 50% line. So
Oh,
on your fib, there should be a 50% line. But that's okay. You don't
okay.
need it. You don't need it.
No,
I'm
because I
telling
know
you.
where it is. It's just here. It's about where the green line comes down
It's
to,
not an
though.
about thing. It's a precise thing. So grab a
Well,
rectangle.
I can put a 50 in there if you want.
That's not up to me. That's up to you. I don't think you need it.
Uh, no. So what you're saying is if I do this, that'll give me 50%.
That gives you 50%. Keeps your screen clean. And then drag that across where
Further.
it's going to tap. What you're looking for is failure.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want this 50% line to be touched. If it doesn't touch that 50% line, it's going to have to push higher.
We're
That's
going
your
up.
push up on the
We,
daily.
yeah, we're going up. That's right.
So somewhere because this box, this zone from the 25 to 55 has
Right. Yeah,
now
yeah, 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 yeah,
completed.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah.
now we're trying to do is to get outside of this
Yeah.
box on one side or another.
Yeah. But this, you're looking at that already prices above that completed. You're saying potentially this is going to come down a little bit further and then come back. So it could push up, not break those or stop us before and then come back.
No, it's going to sweep the high. It's going
Yeah.
to sweep that. It's pushing up now. It's going to take that
Yeah, I
double
know.
top.
Yeah, yeah.
And then it's going to turn and it's going to go up and down, up and down. Nope, too far. Stay above the 75. You're going to get an up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down for about 14 days. And then it's going to finally drop. Don't put too much weight on this indicator.
The green line, yeah.
You don't know. So what I'm trying to tell you is you see it pushing up right now. Right now it's pushing up.
Yeah.
But the plan is you're only looking for a buy above that 50% line, regardless of how it gets there.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Don't worry about that green line. It's only telling you, hey, we think it's going to pull back in this area. And you're like, yeah, I agree with you. You swept the liquidity at the bottom. It's going to take the top. There's your push. It's going to pull down, pull back up, push, pull down, up, down, all the way back down to this 50. It doesn't matter how it gets there. What you're looking for is it to fail at this 50, to stay above, to come out of this box at the top for the bigger move on the daily.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The bigger move.
And the reason you mark the knuckles at the top is they love to come down and tap it and bump and go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just like that knuckle did directly across from it on the other side.
Yeah. The one over here. This one here.
Yeah. So it's just like,
Yeah.
just mark those locations. If it's
Mhm.
showing you that it's going to not break, it's pushing up on the daily and it's pushing up on the lower time frame, it
Yeah.
has to stay above the 50 to keep
Yeah.
going up.
Oh. Yeah.
And you want it out of that shot out of that box is what you really want.
Yeah. Okay. Another pair. Let's start
Okay?
getting the pairs happening.
That's every trade.
Yeah, I know. I understand that. I can do some more myself, but we'll go through because we only got down to AUD the time. Right, so we can get rid of that. Oh, wait a minute. We'll just do this and here. Oh, there's no drawings on that. Okay. So this is, you can see the downtrend at the moment. Hang on. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Long term.
And we have
So,
no idea where we even are in the move. We're just pointing and guessing, man. That's why we got to do this. Look at that downtrend. Boom, all the way down.
yeah, no. Yeah.
No, grab a
It's not.
fib. You got to shrink it down.
Hang on. There we go. That is the weirdest thing out, isn't it? Rightio. But there's no higher highs and lower. How's that? What?
Yeah,
Anyway.
of course there is. See the triangles at the top?
Yeah, I know. I understand that bit. It's there to where we are currently, correct?
Yeah, except pull it back so it's down the way. But you can
Yeah,
still
I
see it
know.
when you shrink it down.
Yeah, just there.
Okay, shrink it down. It's still creating lows. Okay, grab another
Yeah.
fib.
Yep, there we go. Okay, yep, no, I'm just trying to look for what I was looking for.
No,
That tr
no, no.
oh,
Down at the start at the. It's at the bottom. You're only doing from the latest high to the low.
well,
Yeah.
that's it. Used from triangle to triangle.
No. No, it's the last high to the low is what you're trading.
Oh, the high's up here.
No, the high is right there at that white line where it's crossing the 25.
This just here is the high.
Yeah. See where it says higher high?
Lower high, but that's okay.
Oh, is that what it's? It's so small I can't see it.
LH, LH.
Yeah, lower high.
Sorry. So you reckon it's okay. So
Wait, am I
you're
wrong? Hold on, let me go to that pair and look. No, that's my setup. Yeah, it's just from the bottom to the top, coming across.
um okay, but on the last one you were saying going from wherever the triangles were to the triangles.
Uh, I don't know what you're referring to, so I don't know how to answer.
You know, sorry, I'll explain again. The X48 triangles,
Yes.
that's the previous sort of out of range high. It's a lower high, but it's still a high to this lower low or lowest low. I don't, it doesn't matter. It's okay. If this is where you feel we need to put, then I'm absolutely fine with that. No worries. I'll have to work out how I do it then in all the others. Because I would have put it there from what you'd said last time, that's all. All right, no worries. So we know we're in light. Look at this. Look at it came down, hit that, and it's just pulled up a bit before it gets ready to break it off again. Bloody hell. Okay, now find that, which must be down there, yeah, and it must be there. Okay, so now we're looking for
Oh, triangle to
from,
triangle.
from there to there. It is triangle to triangle. You're
Yes.
absolutely right.
So keep dragging it across. Perfect.
To there.
Uh-huh. Find your last high.
So it's not triangle to triangle on the daily, it's triangle to triangle on the 2 hour. Okay.
No, no, it could be two. It could be triangle to triangle on the daily. You don't rely on the triangles.
Okay, no worries. Good. Gotcha. Okay, so now you want a rectangle, do you?
Yeah,
Where do you want it? In that
I want
middle?
it right there at that white one that's poking up to your left. Up,
This
right
one
there.
here.
Perfect. Grab that one real quick. Just circle that one all the way across. Perfect. Stop. Go to your settings on that one.
Oh, heading that one. Got it. Yeah.
Turn it to blue.
Blue. What are we doing blue for?
I'll show you. No, the other blue.
You know,
You want everything to match. You want no confusion. I'm telling you, it makes it so
the,
easy to see.
the other blue. I love it. It's like, no, it's left. No, it's right. It's the other
Right.
right.
I said the other blue in a spectrum of blues.
Hang on a minute. Oh.
No, just blue. I'm serious. Just make it simple, dude.
I know, but I had to do it. Uh, there we go.
Okay.
Gotcha.
It's already starting to stay below the last high.
Correct.
We're on a downtrend from the higher time frame.
Correct. It looks like it's coming up to bounce off the bottom of it and then drop off. Okay. A higher time frame saying it's going to come down and break the bottom. This is, yeah. Okay. The real
Go to the
dance of
next one.
this one, isn't it? Oh, we're doing the next pair. Yeah.
Yeah, let's just
Okay.
go to the next one.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
mean,
Yeah.
as you do these and you get faster at them, it's going to be click, 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 and you're going to be done in about 15 minutes. It's just
Yeah.
that
But
initial setup.
move one. Yeah. Move six. right here.
Go to
There.
your daily.
Yes, I'm doing, I'm doing, I'm doing, I'm doing, I'm doing, I'm doing. Oh, that's a very short. Okay. Look there. Right. Cube up. Where is the high? It's there.
No.
Yes, it is. I know it's not. It's here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, looking left. There. Down to, is that the low? No,
Mm-hmm.
that one is over here. Right back in 2000. Wow.
Grab a fib.
Another fib.
Yep.
Yeah.
Go to your last lowest high that it just created over here on the right.
This one.
Now, where its price is, I can't see because it's so small, but it's the last one
Hang
with
on,
the triangle at the bottom.
hang on. Last one with the triangle at the bottom. Ah, this one over here. Yeah. Hang on. I'll just come across. Just so you know. Ah, this one. Is it this one?
Yeah, it's well, the one that says low.
Yeah, here.
Right.
So you want to go from here down.
No, you want to go from the low to the high where it's at now.
Okay. Can do. Oh, I'll need to keep it on the other side, won't I? No.
No, it's upside down.
Yeah, but that's like, oh, yeah, right, yeah. Mm. It's it's a challenge. I think there's a point up there. Is it?
Yeah, that's it. Drag it across.
Hey, it does. It has a wick up there.
That's good.
Okay.
2 hour. Oh, while we're
Yeah.
here, while
Yeah.
we're here, uh, no, keep going, keep going. 2 hour.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Well, while we're here, I was just waiting.
A fib.
Yeah. Gotcha. And it's from here up to there.
Drag
Ah,
it
sorry.
across.
Ran the wrong way, but anyway. Yep.
Uh, grab one of your grab one of your rectangles.
Which one?
Just grab one. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I can change it. Yeah.
Find the knuckle. See the
This
knuckle
one?
right there at the 75? No,
Um,
the knuckle.
oh, that one there.
Yep.
Oh, you only want the things, don't you?
Drag it across.
A
For all
knuckles,
that.
a knuckles, the green one.
Yep.
Okay, I'll change it.
No. Don't do that. Go to your cog.
Oh yeah,
You have it saved.
yeah, got it.
Okay, so there's your setup. You're looking
Yeah,
for a turn somewhere of these two white trend lines around that knuckle. It may
yeah.
bounce up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. You don't care. You're looking for the trend line changes on the higher time frame. It's getting ready to change. You got a gold bar at the top. You got a
Yeah,
candle with a wick. You're looking for
yeah,
confirmation it's going to keep going down. The way you're going to get that is that trend line is going to turn white at the top. It's going to turn white down here at your 2 hour.
Yeah.
It's going to start its push to make sure it's still going down, which means it can't beat. It has to beat that knuckle to keep going down.
Yeah. Okay. We're
Bottom
making.
lines will turn white. Boom, you're into
Yeah.
the trade.
Yeah. Trade you for sell. Okay.
Okay,
We're making progress.
go to the next one.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I'll leave Singapore because we've already done NZD.
Yep.
Let's go to AUD USD. Okay.
And all you're doing is we're just going to fly through them and just change it as we go. In fact, while you're there,
Yeah. While I'm here.
grab fibs.
No. I'll just do it from the daily to start with. Yeah. Or do you
That's
want me to
fine.
put a fib on here?
Well, you're already sitting here looking at it, so you can put 2 fibs on now. And then when you have time later, go back and do your entire daily one.
I'd rather do the daily one to see the overall view. I like
Perfect.
that. I like that
Perfect.
though
Okay.
because it gives me a much better idea of what, and then I could even make a note on them overall, whatever, blah blah blah. Well, come on, there, dinosaur. Okay. Wow, we're in a down. Well, from time anyway. And that's the high there down to the low there. And this can come across to there. Does that look all right?
It's
Now we're
upside down.
dancing. It is too. We're dancing. Oh God, I put it on and then I went like, oh no, that'll be right. So one of my biggest frustrations putting bids on and knowing which way to go with them. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'll work out
That's
something.
pause right here.
That's
That's
the
why I
trade.
had that's why I had you change the colors to blue and white, because the blue is the expensive seats, the white are the cheap seats.
Yeah, okay.
So you know financially where the market is in what zone based on the colors. The
Yeah,
innards don't matter. They can be any color you want. I set them like
yeah.
that. So it's very clear. If I do put the fib on backwards, at least I know where those are set no matter what.
Right. The cheap seats. Okay,
But the
gotcha.
cheap seats and the expensive seats are where the market's at now.
But now we need to put another fib on over here. Now, is this, you want one from here
Mm-hmm.
down to there? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Does that look right?
Yeah,
The expensive seats are up there, cheapy down the bottom.
that's right.
Right. Then we go up here.
Exact same thing down at your 2 hour.
And that's down there. Yeah, it's there. So, oh, we've already turned white there. And, oh, we're about to turn white there. Well, we would have turned white because the
Okay,
candle's white.
so grab a rectangle,
Mm-hmm.
find the knuckle on the high to your left. To your
The,
left. The high to the left. Left. As
uh,
far as you can see left.
over here. Oh, on the 2 hour.
On the two
So
hour right here, 2 hour.
2 hour
Come back down to 2 hour. There you go.
in
At the
there.
top, the high at the top.
Up here.
Yeah.
You
See
reckon
the
it's there?
knuckle?
Yeah, yeah, I can see it.
Cool. Grab
Oh,
another rectangle.
we got to change that. We
Nope,
got to
nope, nope, nope. Grab
no.
another rectangle. That's right. It's a knuckle.
Uh,
It's green.
green's okay. Knuckle green. Okay, got another rectangle. Yep.
Find your last high before that green where you started.
No, say that again,
Go
please.
to your left, all the way back to your left. You see where the green line started at the top?
This one.
That one right there. Grab it. Change that to
Yeah.
blue. So go up to your cog,
Yeah,
change it
no,
to blue.
I know how to do
That should
that
be
one.
saved, right? Yep, perfect. Okay. So now you have your Tuesday box, you have your knuckle, and you have your high. So if this is going to beat that high, it's going to have to reverse here underneath your 75
Yeah,
and push up.
yeah.
It's going to have to fail down here at the 25 again. So when it turns here, we're looking for a push up. And why is
Well,
it pushing
but
up?
it may not make it to it won't make it down to the 25, but you're just saying between the 75 and 25 range.
Right. So see where it pushes up to these blue and green bars at the top?
Yeah,
Well, what those are is that's your last Tuesday box. That's the last high it created before this high, which
yeah,
means if it's going to continue down, it has to come back down below it and stay below it.
yeah,
The green is the knuckle that's going to tell you whether or not we make a new high.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because
Got
this
that.
green line, the green trend line you use, is
hmm
going to push up, push up, push up the
hmm
predictor, and it's going to
hmm
create a mess in here and
hmm
then fail, is what it's showing you.
Yeah, okay.
Just go to the next one. That's how
Oh,
fast. That's how fast it's just like done, 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 done.
okay. To the next. I think I'll do right. Right. Go here. Go there. Is there a way in? If I do, nah, not necessarily. There we are. Oh God, that's in a downtrend for ages.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right. Fib on the high down to current low. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
something like that. And then will be from this high down to here.
I did see where you started. I'm sorry.
I'll put it on that high there, down to that low there.
Well, I have mine set up lower.
Okay. Yeah, you have yours, which I thought you would, probably to there,
Wait, which one did that? Did
lower high.
I'm trying to figure out where you're at because our feed's different. Yeah, mine's from the lower high to the lower low, which is
Yeah, which is what I've got.
yeah, but is it the same? I'm trying to figure that out
Okay,
because sometimes your labels show and don't show differently. Is what I mean.
gotcha. So that is around 11th of Feb
Yep. Okay.
to
That's me too.
now.
Yes. Okay.
So that's the daily. Still going down
Still going down.
at the moment.
Right, exactly.
Oh, let's see. Hang on. Oh. Where Phoebe is from here to there. That's the same. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're in there.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, green. It's probably going to come up blue, but anyway.
Okay, the thing is, I know it's a pain in the ass to set up, but once you get these on here, a blue and a green one, you're going to use them all the time. So it's not like you're going to keep going back to this. You just got to get it set up initially.
Yeah, I know. And the knuckle, and got something there.
No, no. Is that
Here.
what?
It's just
Is it that?
there, isn't it?
Wait. What color is that box? You just put a knuckle on. Where did you see the knuckle?
No, that's not knuckle. That's the last.
No, it's not. There's another one below it, and if that's going to be your Tuesday box, should be
It's
blue.
there.
No, it's
I,
down further. Down.
there.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, right there.
And that should be blue. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't need to be as long at the moment. Okay, done.
Okay.
Now we're looking at, there's a knuckle just in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's green.
Mm-hmm.
Knuckle green. Okay.
Now pause here for a second.
Yeah.
Look at your daily. Find the
Yeah.
knuckle on the daily.
Uh, well, it's this just here
Right.
at the
So what is the daily
25.
saying?
It'll
It's saying it's going to
potentially
pull
come up.
back to that knuckle.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
drop off.
So what are we looking for down here at the bottom?
For this to pull up to here, not break the 25 and then come down and break the low.
Very good. If it keeps going down, let it go.
Okay, yeah, no,
You want to
doesn't
be on the
matter.
winning side.
Okay.
You're
Oof.
moving towards the bottom of something anyways on the higher time frame. Go ahead to the next one. Boom.
That's
Shakalaka.
going to be a problem. I've got to go.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
already 6:10. Sorry.
That's
Hey,
okay.
Darren, you got any questions? He has simplified it though. I don't know. Darren might be having dinner or something. But
Once you start
yeah.
seeing this pattern just over and over and
Yeah, but
over
it's easy
again,
once I do a couple of them. That's what I'm going to be doing. I hopefully if I might be able to spend some time today and do a whole heap. I don't know I'll be as
well, before you
precise
go
as
into the
this, but
gold and oil and all that kind of stuff,
no, I'm not
just
going to do
finish the
that.
FOREX ones first.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going
Yeah.
to do. Yeah, no, I'll just go down the range. But it's interesting to see the perspective of the overall back down and then because it really is, it just follows that on that trend. I mean, you're going to go up and down. Yes, there'll be pullbacks or pull ups and pull downs, but
Right.
at least you have that view on. All right then. Yeah, so we'll keep you, Darren, I'll keep you updated on these EA things as well. I don't know if you're still interested in knowing, but I think it's part of the overalls we'll talk about anyway. And Tabo. Okay, no worries. Thank you, and I'll tell you, I'll send you a message if I get the time to go through a few of them anyway.
Okay,
And
so even
and
if you,
and I won't pretend that they're going to be all perfect, but
I was just going to say, even if you set them up wrong,
yeah, I
at
know.
least they'll be set up, and all
Yeah,
we have to do is just go through and make minor
yeah,
changes
yeah,
as we go and be done with it.
yeah, yeah, exactly. You on dinner, are you, Darren? Yeah. Oh,
Sorry, what was that, Brian?
are you on dinner time? Sorry.
No, it's all right. No, not now, no, no.
No, I'm just saying, well, is that simpler for, I don't know if you saw any of that. So
I did,
I'm gonna
yeah.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
try and go down through some of the others. I think it's yeah. It's just given us an idea of potential directions and stuff and trends. And
yeah,
anyway, I'm gonna yeah. Once I get it set up, I'll start taking some manual trades on it to see.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Rightio.
Well, if we can
Yeah,
complete this whole project this week to getting you set up correctly,
yeah.
I would suggest by next week picking a trade,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
trading, picking
Yeah,
a
picking
trade
trades. Yeah.
and
No, no,
seeing just how that one trade works out, how you think it's going to.
yeah. No, I would. I might just take some demo trades even later
Yeah,
this
there
week,
you
or
go.
if I get it set up and see, then I can mark my things up a little bit better
Right. And as we
and
go,
color and note.
I'll show you tricks and stuff to this with higher lows and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
So when you get a triangle, you get a higher low. Typically, they come back and have to break the bottom to create a new low to go and get
Mm.
the higher
Do the
triangle at the
high.
top.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
all sorts of little stuff like that I want to show you.
Okay. No worries. Thank you.
Okay.
All right then. Until tomorrow. All right,
Take
Darren.
care, guys.
Yeah.
I'll keep you updated on what didn't take any trades overnight, either Dark Titan or gold. So I don't know whether I've got them set up correct. But anyway,
Yeah, I think there was a few trades on some of them, but I'll be having my flu jab
oh,
tomorrow, so might be on for half an hour. Then I'll have to shoot off and
you're gonna have it in the evening.
go and get my vaccine. Yeah, yeah, the flu vaccine. So there
Oh,
we go.
yeah. Okay. So you might be down and out for a week or so. They give
Hopefully
you the
not.
disease.
I don't
Right. What do
lose
you got? A
anything.
dozen now. You got a dozen running. Oh no, you're gonna wait, weren't you, to put some more on?
Oh, what EAs? Yeah, I've got a dozen of them running, but I'm just waiting for this. Well, AUD
AUDNZ.
hopefully clear out, and then I can
Change it over.
get a couple more up and running. Then
Okay.
just free up some
Some moolah.
yeah, free up some equity. Yeah.
Yeah. All right then. Till
Okay.
tomorrow. Ciao.
Get
Bye.
out. See
All
you.
right. Bye.